पगार वाढ जावन आसलेल्यान कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकेच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांनी शेनवारा बँकेसामकार धरणे आंदोलन केले। पगार वाढ जाली ना जाल्यार संपार वचपाची शिटकावणी ताणें दिल्या। गोंय राज्य सहकारी बँक फाटल्या कांय वर्सां सावन फायद्यान चलता, अशें आसूनय पगार वाडीचेर मात कांयच जाल्लें ना। फाटलीं 7 ते 8 वर्सां कामगारांचो पगार वाडलोलो ना। 10 ते 15% पगार वाड जावपाक जाय आसलो, पूण ती 5%चीच जाल्या। फाटल्या 3 वर्सांचो एरियस लेगीत बँक वेवस्थापनान फारीक करूंक नासल्याचें कामगारांचें म्हणणें।
We had submitted a new charter of demands revising wages with effect from 1/1/2014. Initially in those years, 2014, the bank was saying they are running in a loss. 2018, the bank started making profit. We again asked them, you are making profit, settle. But on one pretext or another, the bank has delaying in signing the settlement. 2018 passed, 2019 passed, 2020 passed, 2021 has come. And now today, the bank is saying that we are willing to give only 5% wage revision, not from 2014, but from 2021. So generally, the wage revision in the banking industry takes place of 15%, over 15%. But this management is offering a very low wage increase of 5%, and that too also for the past years they are not giving any arrears. In some of the other states, Apex cooperative bank employees get government salary and get government type of pension, but here there is no pension, and the normal wage revision that is due is not being done. So we hope that the government listens to us and the management of Goa State Cooperative Bank listens to us.